Hello everybody and welcome to my 19th VBA 2010 tutorial, and this tutorial is going to show you how to use three-dimensional arrays. So we just went over how to do two-dimensional and one-dimensional arrays, so you can probably guess what a three-dimensional array is. It's an extra dimension on top of the two-dimension one. So where the two-dimension one is essentially a grid of variables, a three-dimensional array is more like a box. So you've got your index for your x-axis, your index for your y-axis, and then you've also adding on then your index for your z-axis, or the different layers within your box. So if we just start writing one, so let's do my 3D array. And then we put in, let's have up to index 3 going one way, up to index 3 going another way, and then up to index 3 going another way. So this is essentially going to be a cube that is 3 by 3 by 3. And then let's put that as, and let's go away from double, let's do a string. And then again you just reference them in the same way as before, so my 3D array, and then open brackets, and then you need to put in three different indexes, So we need to put in, so let's put in 0, 0, 0, and then because 0 is the first index in the array, it's going to give us 4 elements for in each direction. So when I said it was a 3 by 3 by 3 cube, sorry, I meant a 4 by 4 by 4 cube. Easy mistake to make, and one you probably make quite a lot of times. So just always remember that if you put in 3, there's actually 4 elements, because 0 counts as an element as well. So that's going to be essentially our top left bottom corner. If we look at it from a graphical point of view, and then we can make that equal to a string. So let's put I am in the top left bottom corner, and then let's go to the opposite side. So my 3D array 0 3, 3, 3 equals I am in the bottom right top corner. So these can come in handy, and I just wanted to show you that you can add on more dimensions. And let's say you just want to reference them in the same way, so let's write one of these out in a message box. So I am in, oh no, we don't want to do that. My 3D array, and then we can just play that, and we get a type mismatch because we haven't put in our index. Play that now, and I'm in the top left bottom corner. And so you can actually put on as many dimensions as you want. So but once you've added on a few, you have to start thinking of them not so graphically, because you get quite complicated. But you can kind of go to like 7, 8, 9, 10 dimensions. I've quite often seen it used when you're dealing with algorithms that will work out matrices and things like that. They use quite a lot of dimensions in their arrays. So for the moment, I'm just going to show you how to do the 3. If you want to do any more, then you just keep on adding in ones that appear. So let's put in another one, and then you just have to make sure you reference all of them in here. So if you've got any questions, drop them below, and as we go on, these are going to become more apparent as to why they're useful. But for now, just understand that they're a group of variables indexed by the positioning within your array. So thanks for listening, and I hope to catch you in the next tutorial.